Bike check. That's Scott. That's his scoop. Do a bri flip. Alright, so this is my bicycle. I have ODI long neck grips. Steve over here. Brand new, 1 day old, not even. Got some purple Duo bar ends.
Duo.
My grips are blue if you can't tell.
If you're colorblind, like me.
Yeah. I got my Fit Sky High bars. They're like 29 inches wide. They're really long. There's Scott over there doing something he's not supposed to. This is my Fit drop down regular stem with my Shadow Conspiracy blue stem bolts.
Hollow. They're hollow. They're hollowed out. See? They're hollowed out.
I got a Fit cap. I got a Fit cap because I stripped my S&M one, but I'm getting another one hopefully soon. Got my Marine sticker because only cool kids wear Marines.
Let's make it look real.
Yeah.
my arms on it.
I got my FBM.
Sky. It's quickly.
I got my FBM integrated headset.
I have full control.
I got my FBM integrated headset with aluminum spacer and blue headset, blue cap on the bottom.
Look at that cap.
Oh! I got S&M pitchforks. Not
I just want to show them the cap. There you go.
S&M pitchforks XLT.
Also known as bitchforks.
Yeah. I got my Duo Stunner tire. Best tires ever. With they're 2.2, 2.20 front and back, black, no sidewall or whatever. I got my Odyssey hazard light.
This is free coaster.
Yeah, my free coaster. With my Odyssey Mandero 2 front hub, G-Sport Gland front hub guard. Zip ties haven't broken yet. Cool.
Shadow peg.
Shadow Conspiracy little one peg.
You gotta get 3 pegs.
Hub cleaner, come stupid. Pink air cap.
That's a shoelace.
Pink air cap, come gay. Let's see. My frame's a 2011 Fit Eddy 2. Fit Eddy 2. Guys, look, it's Fit Eddy 2. Fit Eddy 2. I got my Odyssey Twisted PC pedals, best pedals ever.
No one should ride anything other than those.
I got Profile BMX GDH cranks and chrome.
What is this little thing right there?
This?
Yeah.
My spacers. I got 2 spacers. I got Shadow Conspiracy bottom bracket.
Look at that space. I can fit my finger in between
that
there.
shit. Shadow Conspiracy bottom bracket. Now I got my Odyssey seat clamp. Fit low bolt pivotal seat. Kink pivotal seat post. Same tire in the back, Duo Stunner. But like I said again, best tires ever. I really like them. Same in the front. I got an Odyssey hazard light rim laced to Odyssey V3 cassette. This is what it sounds like.
What a free coaster.
I like it.
Show them how dialed it is.
Oh, it's pretty dialed. Nothing.
Basketball right there. It's a basketball.
I got Primo drive side hub guard.
What chain is it? Did you
Shadow peg. Shadow Conspiracy interlock V2 chain. Odyssey pedal.
What? Sprocket.
Odyssey. Well,
Odyssey.
Odyssey. I'm fucking stupid.
Shadow Conspiracy.
Scream sprocket. Black screams at you like a boss. And I think that's everything.
Do a trick for the people, Mark.
Am I missing anything?
I think you're set.
I think I'm set like a boss.
Oh, he's got another pipe cleaner thing.
Oh,
shoelace.
My bike's dialed. What can I say? Boom.
Do a trick.
What should I do?
It's already 4 minutes. Come on, let's go. I don't know.
180.
Smith. I don't know. Sure.
First try. 2 tires. I gotta get it again.
Yeah. Smith.
What?
Smith.
Hell no. Alright, it's my bike check. What's up, guy? Yeah, my face.